Evening, guys. This is Jeff from the Stream Machines, and I just have a question for you. If you're looking for an easy way to capture your favorite shows or gameplay in stunning 4K, I want to introduce you to the Cloner Alliance UHD 4K recorder. This is your plug and play solution for crystal clear recording right from your media device or even from your PC. So, without any further ado, let's take a look. Okay, guys, thank you guys once again for tuning in to the Stream Machines YouTube channel where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. I want to thank Cloner Alliance for reaching out to me a few weeks ago. It's taken me a couple of weeks to get unbusy so I can give a great, not so much in depth, that's going to come for the second and third video. But basically, I want to show you this standalone recording unit that is going to blow your mind. This is the Cloner Alliance UHD Pro. Now, this is a standalone recorder that allows you to have Ultra HD video, breathtaking quality all the way around. It's for the newbie, and it's also for someone that is very experienced in this type of recording or getting your content um, right at your fingertips. Let's put it that way. So here comes the Cloner Alliance UHD Pro with their features. I'm on their website. Okay, here's some of the features right here: standalone 4K UHD digital video recorder. True Ultra HD recording at cinematic FPS, captures 4K UHD videos or gameplay. If you have a stick, a media device, or even a game console, it'll do it. 4K 60 frames per second. Video sources can be recorded as 1080 at 60 frames per second. You can adjust that. Now, it also supports both codecs of H.264 and H.265. What's the difference? H.264 gives you great quality but makes it a larger file, while H.265 compresses it, makes it more streamlined, but quality is still there. So it's a smaller file. H.265 codec can compress videos twice as much as H.264. All right. Number three, instant playback 4K Ultra on your TV. So once you're recorded, you can play it back right away and enjoy it or save it. There's even a scheduler. Now, the fourth reason I love the Cloner Alliance, which we're going to jump in a moment, it's easy to use for everyone. It's suitable for both beginners and professional video creators. No matter what age you are, you can get it up rather quickly. So I'm going to go right down here to some of the pictures here. It gives you a view of what it is. This is the UHD 4K Pro. If I move here, you'll see some of the back of it here. You've got some of the power. You got the out and the in, the HDMI. You got a mic for if you're going to be using your microphone. You can switch it from H.264 to 265. You got line in and line out for either microphones or speakers. And also, you can connect it to your PC. But to also record, you're going to need a formatted flash drive, and they give you exactly what you need to do to get that formatted. The next thing, you have more choices for your ultimate video UHD experience. It works on media players, TV sticks, OTA, DVR, video disc players, cameras, satellite receiver. It's all the above. Okay, here's what comes in the device itself, the box itself. You have the remote control. You also have an HDMI cable, the Cloner Alliance UHD Pro, the user manual, the power adapter, and the two PC cables so you can connect it to your PC. Last but not least, they have this video, which I won't show you. But what I wanted to do was go to the website so you can see some of the benefits of this genuine 4K video, standalone video recorder. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it's connected to my Formula G TV and do a recording and play it back for you. So let's get to it. Okay, now we're at the place where I'm actually doing some recording using the Cloner Alliance UHD 4K Pro. I'm using and recording on my Formula GTV media device. Now, this standalone recorder will work for your PC. It'll work on media devices. It'll work on different devices that they show. But I wanted to show you the clarity, the ease of use in this really, really short way of recording, because I am recording to a thumb drive and it is formatted to work on this. So this is the home page of the Formula GTV. You'll see that I have paid Peacock subscription. NFL I paid for. There's different apps like here. So I'm gonna go and just show you a little bit on where you can also record different things and show it later on. Let's go to Sling, because Sling does have paid, but they also have something, a large, expansive library called Sling Free Stream. So I'm gonna highlight Sling and press OK. And then I already have an account. So this is my Mufasa account. And this is a free account. And as you can see, let me see if it's at the bottom here. See, it says, welcome back. My subscription is paid, watch stream has ended, but you can still do that. I'm gonna watch Sling Free Stream. So I'm gonna stay with Sling Free Stream, because there's just plenty of here. I don't need to pay for Sling yet, because I also pay for Philo. So that's pretty cool. Now you can see the sports on Sling. You see the locks. I don't have access to them. But if I keep going down and browse a little bit, I should be able to find something to watch here real quick. And I'm going to push to the right. And let's say we want to go, how about final score? Is that it right there? Is that it? Press OK. 2018. It'll give you some information. So I'm going to watch now, and then I should blot this out, but it's going to give you, of course, since it's Sling Free Stream, there is an ad, and in the ad there should be, after it ends in 8 seconds, and then we should go right into how clear it is, and it should record right about now. So the movie will start. One of the best things about the free ad-supported, applications, they don't buffer, they don't stutter. It's very, very rare. You might have an ad now and then, but that is very, very clear. And this is the actual recording right now that I'm going to use in the YouTube video. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the back button and go to check out something else really quick. All right. So let me hit the back button again. And then we'll find something else. How about Once Upon a Time at Christmas? There's Rock Dog. I've never seen that before. You got Pinocchio. You got The Marksman. You got The Boogeyman 3. So let's go down. And here's Weed. So let's say you wanted to watch Nurse Jackie or whatever it might be, and you could put that on the watch list or whatever. We're gonna go back. Let me see here. Let's go to Weeds. Push this. Let me find one more here, right there. Press OK. So this is the one that you can use a lot. Let's go find another one. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to exit out of here, and we're going to go to Tubi. Another one you can use right now is, let's say you go to Tubi. Tubi's free. It's always going to be free. And as you can see, it should open up pretty well. But you get the gist of it. So if you want to record, if you have something you want to record, in my next few videos, I'm going to go in and show you how we schedule everything and go from there. I really apologize for my dogs. They're barking. 1 second. Okay, so you can see that Tubi is free. You can sign in with Google, free forever, no credit card, and this is one of the best things about it. So if you're looking to find a standalone recorder, I highly, highly recommend this. Cloner Alliance UHD Pro. I'll put a link to their website. They're on Amazon. This is one of the best selling devices that people have. And I think for those that want to record and schedule their recordings, I will show that in the next video about this. But I'm going to go ahead and close out the video and thank you guys for watching. And I will make sure that I put the link to their website in the description. They do have some Black Friday sales, and I highly recommend you guys check them out. Thank you guys for tuning in to this great video. I wish you guys the best, and Merry Christmas to everybody. Take care.